Hello friends, today I am here to share an idea that if you have a low quality computer, okay, and you can't run any Photoshop in a computer, then after just connect to Wi-Fi or internet and open the one browser, okay, then after just type in the browser Photopea, pa.com, just enter, and this is online Photoshop. Okay, just click start using and open a new project, and you can select the size, okay, or you can just open the photo from your file, open, downloads, and just upload this, and you can crop, okay, you can edit from online very easily, right? Subject tool, this is selection, you can only select subject, okay. Okay, like Photoshop, you can do anything from this Photopea.com. This is online editing software like the Photoshop front. If this video really helps you to edit photo with the low specs computer, okay, only connecting to the internet, then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Friend, this Photopea.com is very useful software. You do not need to install any Photoshop in your computer, okay. You can just type Photopea.com in Chrome browser and you can edit any photo like Photoshop, right friend? Okay, if this video really helps you to edit the photo, then please friend, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.